Hey, cruise lovers, have you heard the buzz? Carnival is opening a brand new $600 million private island resort in the Bahamas, and it's called Celebration Key. Set your calendars for July 2025 because this destination is going to be epic. Located just 17 miles northeast of Freeport on Grand Bahama Island, Celebration Key is exclusively for Carnival cruise passengers. Picture this, a stunning 65-acre resort with its own pier, ready to welcome Carnival's largest ships. By 2026, it'll even expand to accommodate up to 4 ships at once. 20 out of Carnival's 27 ships will be visiting Celebration Key, including the iconic Carnival Celebration, Carnival Horizon, and more. And yes, the Carnival Conquest will make the inaugural call on July 18th, 2025. Now let's talk about what makes this place truly special. Celebration Key offers a variety of itineraries, from quick 3-day getaways to multi-week adventures departing from places like Barcelona. There's something for everyone. Dive into water activities like exhilarating water slides, scuba diving, and not one but 2 7-acre freshwater lagoons. Or chill out in themed areas like Paradise Plaza, where you can grab a coffee or some ice cream. Fancy some seafood? Head over to Starfish Lagoon for casual dining and food trucks with Bahamian specialties. For the adults, there's Calypso Lagoon with its swim-up bars and DJs, plus Mingo's Tropical Bar and kitchen serving up delicious Bahamian dishes and drinks. Want a more upscale experience? Pearl Cove Beach Club offers beachfront cabanas, an infinity pool and an open bar. Carnival is also committed to sustainability, planting 1,000 sable palms and using a desalination system for those gorgeous freshwater lagoons. Not to mention the resort is providing jobs for around 500 Bahamians, boosting the local economy. So why wait? Reservations for Celebration Key itineraries are open through 2027 on Carnival's official website. Get ready to explore this incredible new destination and make unforgettable memories. See you on the high seas.